welcome back to hang out here. I've been wanting to get into photography lately, so I finally bought my first camera. Well, I totally get that most of the time skill has nothing to do with the gear. But hey, isn't it fun to have an excuse to splurge a little? Don't judge me yet for pairing the 6700 with a G Master lens. I'll work hard to save up for a real camera, sorry about that. But since I'm a keyboard enthusiast at heart, today I want to introduce a photography-themed keycap set, the Photo G. This set features a combination of ABS and PBT materials with a retro color scheme. Since the main key area is used the most, all the solid color keycaps there are made of PBT for durability. The glossy red parts are made of ABS, which gives them a really high-end look and adds a lively touch to the set. The semi-transparent keycaps are also ABS. They fit perfectly on my newly assembled LumenKey 6.5, and I think the whole setup looks great. The entire set is divided into 3 parts: base, novelties, and alpha, providing plenty of options. If red isn't your thing, the alpha set nicely complements the other keycaps, allowing for flexible combinations. The set uses the cherry profile, which most people find comfortable, and the surface is smooth and feels great to the touch. The font uses ultra-tactile screen printing, which is very clear and neatly arranged. When it comes to thickness, these keycaps are 1.6 millimeters, which is still quite impressive compared to traditional GMK keycaps. Despite that, they deliver a very clear typing sound. Overall, I'm really happy with this set, especially if you have other retro-themed kits. It matches perfectly. After talking with the manufacturer, I learned that they'll be releasing an aluminum artisan set related to this theme, and I'm really excited about it. If I can get my hands on it right away, I'd love to showcase it for you all. That's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in next video.